Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be replacing the battery of our Bose Soundlink mini Bose speaker because this is actually the first model of the Bose speaker that came out. I mean the Soundlink mini version that came out, and I got it like 8 years ago, and it has been running the same battery for over 8 years, and finally, the performance has been degraded. It's not working fine without the power. It only hardly runs for like 10 minutes and it turns off. I have to plug it in, so that's the charger I have to carry. So we'll be replacing the battery today in this video. So I already ordered the battery, which I'm going to unpack with you now. And if you're also facing the same problem, let me show you how you can do that. First of all, ordering the correct battery is actually very important, because it doesn't mean that the battery model I got, this one 61384, that's the same battery for you. It doesn't mean that. So how you can find out? Pick up your speaker, remove that base rubber protection, and then on that, over the top where it says Bose, you will see a number that starts with 61. So in my case it says model 061384. That's the model number I have. It might be different for you, but I'll put the link for Amazon US in the description if you want to buy the same 061384 battery as this one in the video, so you can purchase that. But if you have already got that, let's unpack it. I'm pretty sure you'll have to charge the battery before the first time use, but let's plug it in. And I believe it should be fairly simple. And if you're also struggling with your battery of your speaker, it should be fairly easy to replace. So that's the battery, and looks pretty good, pretty decent. It's definitely not from Bose, because Bose doesn't manufacture the same battery anymore. So, and yeah, by the way, I didn't figure this one out. This should be fairly easy though. This is not a Phillips or a flat screw. These are hexagonal. I don't know what these are called. Before ordering the battery, make sure you have the correct equipment, because I didn't know that earlier. But thankfully, I had this precision screwdriver set with me, and the number I'm using is actually called T8. So that's the T8 screwdriver that I'm using on this. If I didn't have this screwdriver set, I probably would not have been able to replace the battery. Luckily, it's fairly easy, very easy to replace the battery. You just have to unscrew, put the new battery and screw it back. That's it. Alright, there you go. And let's take the battery out. Should come out straight like that. There you go, which is the same battery. Looks pretty same, right? Alright, so those are the two batteries, and I'm gonna put the new one. So as I told you, the process is pretty simple. You just have to replace the batteries, that's it. It is very clean from inside. I cannot see any dust or any hair. It is actually pretty clean. And there you go, you just replace the battery. And I'm pretty sure the battery won't have a lot of power, so it is advisable to charge the battery for the first time. I don't think the battery has power right now because it's turning off. So I'm going to charge the battery for a few hours, and we'll see after that. Alright guys, we're back. I've been charging the speaker for 1 hour now, and you can see if I turn it on, it's a green light and it charges. And I'll put the links for the new battery that I've been using in this video in the description. You can check it out if you're looking for that. And this is pretty much it from this video.